Hello, in this video I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the POCO M6. Okay, but before we launch our app, let's open up the settings. In here scroll down until you find the Google, and in here make sure that you are logged in into the same Google account on which you made the backup before, because if you are logged in into other Google account, there is a chance that you won't be able to restore the chats. So simply make sure that you are logged in into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. Select your language and click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us the notifications, and now in this bar we need to type our phone number. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Simply type your phone number, then click on next. Also, we need to verify our phone number by using one of two methods. We can use the code from the SMS message, or for example we can use the missed call function, which is in my opinion is the best, works in the best way. But now we need to wait a little because I need... okay, actually everything went fine. Okay. Now we have something like that. Contacts and media. Click on continue. Click on allow, allow, and allow all. And now we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I was showing you before in the settings. So everything is fine. We need to restore right now because if we don't do it, there's a chance that we won't be able to do it later. You can also read about it on the screen. Click on restore. Now the process will start, so let's wait, it won't take long. Okay, 17 messages restored. Click on next. In here type your name, then click on next. And now all of the messages has been successfully restored. Only the media doesn't want to restore because I have low battery, but simply load up and it will be restored immediately. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.